Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to purchase travel insurance via Eurowings. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in eurowings.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Eurowings if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen, we have the Explore, Book, Information, Flight and Hotel, My Trip and Check-in. In the top right corner, we have your profile and everything about it. And in the bottom of the screen, we have the option where you can go and book your flight. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and purchase travel insurance via Eurowings. So go to their website, as I told you, and navigate to the My Trip section, which is of course here. And then of course you need to go and click on of course the flights that you of course want to go find this for. Then here you need to put information for a flight to be found. At the moment I don't have a flight, but be sure if you have one it will be here. Then select Add Services and choose Travel Insurance and select the insurance package that best suits your needs. Eurowings partners with Hans Merker to offer various insurance options, including the of course COVID coverage, emergency luggage insurance, travel health insurance, holiday guarantee insurance, travel cancellation insurance, rail and flight delay coverage, transfer insurance. Follow the prompts to complete your purchase and add the insurance to your booking. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.